this is the Bird Bar Graph by Kobe,
Ethan, and Stephanie.
and so this is 1 through 45. Okay, so
40.
Wimbrel is 32, and the Upland Sandpiper is 26. The least Sandpiper is 13. The Great Yellow Legs is 28. American Avacket is 31.
Common snake, 18. Long-billed curlew, 35. Solitary sandpiper, 22. Spotted sandpiper, 15. And American golden plover, 26. Dunlin, 17. Killdeer, 24. Long-billed dewitcher, and Willet, 26. American woodchuck, 18.
And this is our
Bird graph. And this is usually what colors they